All right, time for video. It's been a really long time. So this is my dad's car. We're gonna surprise him. My parents are gone till probably the beginning of next year. The car's sitting at the house. I kind of borrowed it without telling him, and we're gonna paint correction, and then I'm gonna put Fine Lab ceramic light on it. 2013 A6, 27,000 miles. We'll see if he watches this video, more importantly, because I'm not gonna tell anything to him. What I'm looking at. So I'm staring at the scan grip. Alright, so driver's side door. There we go. Alright. Fine swirls. There it goes. There we go. It's much easier to see. Right, so I don't think this quarter panel was repainted. This is just where they blended it. Alright, so he's got holograms. CarPro medium, and then we'll do a quick second step with the super fine. For pads, the Eurofiber blended wool, and then CarPro gloss pads. Paint thickness gauge, look at that, 339, that's the trunk. Right, so trunk was replaced or repaired, the back bumper. So 339, you can see where the blend stopped. Right, and then 176, that's still thicker than factory, that's where they're blending. And then 117, so that's from the far side of the hood, right? So you got, what was it, 336? 339, right? So almost like 3 times the paint on the new surfaces. You can see where it starts to blend. Correction's done, IPA wipe is done, I blew the car off. We're gonna get some towels, applicator, and we're gonna do, I don't know if it'll focus. Focus? No? Focus? Focus. Fine Lab ceramic light. So there we go. Nope. 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 All right, so 40 mils is more than enough to do this full-size car. We'll probably use 20, maybe 25 milliliters. So now we're gonna shake it for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna start applying. See it just above the fender line, right? Same thing on the door, right? So that's what's left behind. All right, so we're almost ready for it to flash. This stuff dwells pretty long. I can let it sit for 10, 15 minutes. You know, the ceramic is not the difficult part. The 8 hours I've spent up until this point is the time consuming. You know, but all in, I'll probably have 2 hours worth of ceramic. And then the finishing touches, you know, all in maybe 12, 13 hours. All done. Got the grass mowed, car's done. We're gonna walk around it and call it a wrap. Ceramic's on. We're gonna let it cure, and we're gonna take this back. Well, Dad, if you see this, you know, you're welcome. Enjoy it. Let me know how it goes. We'll see you at the beginning of next year.